Step into 2025 with these game-changing Amazon tech gadgets that redefine innovation and style. By 2025, technology has grown to new levels, and the devices we use on a daily basis are more sophisticated, fashionable, and useful than before. There are a ton of awesome tech gadgets on Amazon that are worth looking at, ranging from audio devices that enhance the sound of your music to travel gear that keeps your electronics charged while you're on the move. We're going to explore the top 10 technological devices available this year. Whether you enjoy music, travel frequently, or simply enjoy modern technology, these devices are going to significantly improve your quality of life. Let's examine what is available to help you improve your technological skills in 2025. Tumi Alpha 3 Expandable Laptop Briefcase. Lastly, the Tumi Alpha 3 Expandable Laptop Briefcase is a great option for anyone in search of a multi-purpose, long-lasting, and fashionable bag for their computer equipment. Made from premium ballistic nylon, this briefcase is incredibly strong and lightweight, making it ideal for everyday usage and travel. Its extendable design provides you with additional capacity when needed, and its padded pockets safely hold your laptop or tablet. Additionally, the bag has an integrated USB port for mobile device charging. The Tumi Alpha 3 is the best laptop briefcase for anyone who needs to blend functionality and professionalism thanks to its elegant appearance and useful features. Volonic Valet 3 Wireless Charging Pad. Wireless charging is elevated to a whole new level of elegance with the Volonic Valet 3 Wireless Charging Pad. This charging station makes a sophisticated statement in addition to being a useful item. Your smartphone, smartwatch, and headphones can all be charged at the same time with the Valet 3. Its fast charging capabilities guarantee that your gadgets will charge rapidly. The Volonic Valet 3 is ideal for keeping your gadgets germ-free because it also includes an integrated UV sanitizing mechanism. The Volonic Valet 3 gives your room a sophisticated touch of high-tech convenience, whether you're charging your devices in your home office or keeping them ready to go on your nightstand. Bang & Olufsen Beoplay EQ Earbuds. The first name that springs to mind when considering high-end audio is Bang & Olufsen. Their Beoplay EQ earbuds are the ideal fusion of premium audio quality, comfort, and design. Because of their sophisticated sound drivers and noise-canceling technology, these true wireless earbuds produce rich mids, deep bass, and sparkling highs. Multiple ear tip sizes are included for a secure, comfortable fit, and the earbuds have a stylish metal housing. The Beoplay EQ provides an amazing sound experience whether you're accepting calls, listening to music, or listening to podcasts. The Bang & Olufsen Beoplay EQ is a great option if you're searching for high-end earbuds with exceptional quality and a fashionable appearance. Zero Halliburton Aluminum Carry-On Suitcase. The Zero Halliburton Aluminum Carry-On Suitcase is the pinnacle of luxury travel luggage if you want to enhance your trip. This suitcase is the ideal travel companion since it blends tough sturdiness with a sleek, elegant style. The suitcase's exceptional impact resistance and construction from aerospace-grade aluminum guarantee that your stuff will always be safe wherever you go. The smooth gliding wheels guarantee effortless mobility, whether you're at an airport terminal or negotiating cobblestone streets. And the interior boasts a flexible packing system with plenty of room for all your necessities. You may travel with confidence thanks to its superior locking system, which adds an additional degree of security. Troubadour Apex Backpack 3.0. The Troubadour Apex Backpack 3.0 is the perfect blend of fashion, usefulness, and robustness for someone who is constantly on the road. This bag, which was made for today's travelers, offers ample space for all of your belongings, including a cushioned area for your tablet or laptop. Its use of high-quality materials is what makes it unique. The sleek design is appropriate for both business and casual settings, and the outside is composed of weather-resistant, high-tech fabric that is lightweight and long-lasting. This backpack's ergonomic shoulder straps, several pockets for storage, and user-friendly design put everything you need close at hand. Anker Prime 20K Power Bank. If we can all agree on one thing, it's that we should never have too much battery life when we're out and about. For all of your charging requirements, the Anker Prime 20K Power Bank is the answer. Whether you're charging a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, its 20,000 milliamp hours of power will easily charge your gadgets several times over. With the help of this power bank's fast charging technology, your gadgets will be fully charged as soon as possible. It has a sturdy construction that guarantees long-lasting performance, and it is stylish and portable. Mural Canvas 2 Smart Art Frame. Consider establishing a gallery of digital art in your living room. The Mural Canvas 2 Smart Art Frame provides precisely that. This isn't your typical picture frame. It's a smart frame that, with a single button press, allows you to display a vast collection of digital artwork, including both modern and classic artworks. In addition to the 27-inch canvas's lifelike color and exquisite detail, the exclusive Mural Art Library gives you access to more than 30,000 pieces of art from world-class museums and artists. Using the app or online interface, you can quickly update the artwork displayed on the Mural Canvas 2 thanks to its Wi-Fi connectivity. Marshall Willen 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. For rock and roll-inspired audio gear, Marshall has always been the preferred brand. Their most recent product, the Willen 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker, carries on that tradition while adding new features. The Willen 2 is a statement rather than merely a speaker. With its recognizable logo and sturdy, long-lasting construction, it embodies the brand's distinctive Marshall design, which makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Thanks to its cutting-edge driver technology, this speaker produces a huge sound with remarkable clarity and loudness despite its compact size. The Willen 2 produces strong, high-fidelity sound that fills the space, whether you're playing your favorite music at a party or relaxing on your patio. Soundcore AeroFit 2 Open-Ear Headphones. The Soundcore AeroFit 2 Open-Ear Headphones are the future of personal audio, and headphones are changing quickly. These headphones have an open-ear style, which lets you listen to music and still be conscious of your surroundings, unlike conventional over-ear or in-ear models. The AeroFit 2 offers you an open sound experience without compromising audio quality, whether you're riding, running outside, or even just walking through a bustling metropolis. You can anticipate clear, sharp music with a deep bass that is nearly immersive thanks to cutting-edge sound technology. Additionally, their ergonomic, lightweight design guarantees a comfortable fit even after prolonged use. Klipsch the OnePlus Bluetooth Speaker. Klipsch is a well-known brand in the portable speaker market for creating high-end, superior audio equipment, and the Klipsch the OnePlus Bluetooth Speaker is no exception. This gorgeous device blends classic antique flair with contemporary Bluetooth capabilities, making it an essential item for any music lover or design fan. Thanks to its 60-watt dynamic power and premium parts, the speaker produces a strong, rich sound that can effortlessly fill any space with warm mid-ranges, deep, resonant lows, and crystal-clear highs. The Klipsch OnePlus produces amazing sound while also looking like a work of art, whether you're entertaining, relaxing at home, or spending time outside. Transform your 2025 with these incredible tech gadgets. Subscribe and stay ahead with the latest innovations. Like, comment, and share. Which gadget is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.